Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your keyboard if it's typing the wrong characters or letters in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to go to the bottom right, okay? In here, right click on date and time, and then just click on adjust date and time. Now in here, scroll down a bit and you'll find language and region. Okay, so just click on it. And then once done, you'll be able to find a ton of languages right here. So just make sure that under Windows Display Language is selected to the layout that you wanted to use. Also, if you have a ton of languages right here, just delete those that you don't need. Okay, or if you want to troubleshoot, well, go ahead and remove them all and just leave your current keyboard layout. Okay, and then once that's done, make sure that your country or region is set to the correct region. Regional format right here. Okay, set it to recommended or the keyboard layout that you want. Also, the device setup region, just leave it as is, as it will just automatically detect. Okay, and when you go and scroll down, typing right here, just click on it. You could disable autocorrect misspelled words and also multilingual text suggestion. Disable it. Now go ahead over to advanced keyboard settings and make sure that at the top, okay, click on the drop down, you select your preferred language and keyboard layout. Okay, also switching input methods. It says here, let me use a different input method for each app window. Disable it or disable the two from here. And then once that's done, close this one. You can go ahead and try to restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, run the keyboard troubleshooter. Open up CMD right here or command prompt. Tap it down. Click on run as administrator. And then just type down msdt.exe space -id space keyboard, okay, diagnostics or diagnostic, okay, just diagnostic. And then just hit on enter. Wait for it and then go ahead and click on next right here and it will detect an issue from your keyboard. So if there's no issue, well, close it, close, and then let's just move forward. Now on your keyboard, okay, on your physical keyboard, find the function key and then W. All right. Again, function key and W, hold both keys for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, test if it helps. If that won't work, find the function key and the space key, hold it again for about 5 to 10 seconds and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and go to your start menu, right click on it and just click on device manager. And in here, find keyboards. Okay. You may have a ton of keyboard devices right here. Well, all you got to do is just right click on each, update, browse my computer. Let me pick HID keyboard device if HID compliant device isn't working. Next, wait for it, close, do the same thing with each keyboards right here. Okay, just like so. All right, browse, let me pick that one, wait for it, and after that, test it out. Now, lastly here, if that still won't work, you can go ahead and turn off your computer, remove the power adapter, and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Unplug it from the power socket, then hold the power button for 15 seconds to do a hard reset. And then after that, boot it up again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. If that still won't work, clean your keyboard, okay? Clean it. If cleaning doesn't help, if you're using a laptop, I'll just go ahead and use an external keyboard. If you're using a standalone keyboard, well, you might want to get it replaced. All right? And that is how you fix your keyboard if it's typing the wrong characters or letters in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.